This next stitch is a chain stitch, and I'm going to do it in orange. You start by beginning at the front of the stitch and bringing the needle up through the bottom, so the knot is underneath. And then you put this needle down, again, kind of right next to the stitch where you just came up. But instead of pulling it all the way through, you're going to leave that loop, and you're going to bring your needle in front and put it in the middle of that loop. And you can go ahead and pull that tight. Then to secure that down, you're going to put the needle down next to that loop, but instead of pulling it all the way through, again, you're going to leave that loop open and put your needle in front and put it through the middle of that loop. And that will hold the loop there, making it a chain. And you continue to do that. I like to use this stitch for giving texture. If I want to have like a rope look, I'll use the chain stitch. You can also use it to fill in lettering, or you can use it to outline things.